So some people have mentioned it would be nice to be able to see how much work a kid is being assigned on an online day, and there's a feature in Schoology that you can use to do that. So if you click into one of your courses where you've got a student and you click down below at workload planning, you can look at any student in your class and what they have going on what day, and you can use this at any time. So if I look over here and I pick out one of my students, we'll use Logan as an example, and I say, oh, what has he got going this week, or what's assigned this snow day? All you have to do is click on that little icon, and it's going to give you a quick glimpse of every single thing that that person's got assigned as being due that day. So, it's a nice feature. You can look at his classes and how much is being assigned at any given time. And like I said, you can do this and sort it, and you can say, show me anybody that's got 5 or so things, and see how many students have 5 or more things assigned, or whatever it might be. So again, it's on everyone's machine already. It's in any course. You just scroll to the left, locate your workload planning button, find one of the students that you're interested in looking at, click on it to get an overview of what they've got going that day.